Energy systems across the world are undergoing a major transformation, and in this transition, India has emerged as a leading power under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. India has made remarkable progress in the field of clean and sustainable energy and has established itself as a source of inspiration in the areas of global energy security and climate action. In 5 states, projects worth over 1 lakh rupees 22,000 crore are being inaugurated and dedicated to the nation. Along with this, 3 new railway trains are being flagged off and launched. In line with the goal of achieving 100 gigawatts of nuclear energy capacity by 2047, the foundation stone of the Ashwini Mahi nuclear power project in Banswara, Rajasthan, is being laid today. This project, costing approximately 42,000 crore rupees, is being developed under Ashwini, a joint venture between the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited under the Department of Atomic Energy and the National Power Corporation under the Ministry of Power. The 2,800 megawatt plant will be based on an indigenous pressurized heavy water reactor technology. In this series, various projects of the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy are also being inaugurated, including RSTCL's 925 megawatt Noak Solar Park, Eden Renewables 300 megawatts solar project in Sikar, Acme's 300 megawatts solar project in Sri Dungargarh, Badlu, Avada's 200 megawatts solar project in Jaisalmer, JSW Energy's 400 megawatts solar project, and Sunfree Energy's 200 megawatts solar project in Jalore. Additionally, the foundation stones are being laid for Avada's 590 megawatts green energy project in Bikaner and SECE's 300 megawatt Ramgiri Solar Park in Andhra Pradesh. These energy projects will strengthen India's energy security and accelerate the nation's energy transition towards achieving net zero emissions. To transmit energy from Rajasthan to every corner of the country, 3 major power grid projects worth over 13,000 crore rupees are also being inaugurated. These projects will transmit about 15.5 gigawatts of green energy from Rajasthan to states such as Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, and Punjab. To empower farmers, projects worth over 16,000 crore rupees under the Pradhan Mantri Kusum Yojana are being inaugurated, under which agricultural feeders have been converted to solar energy. Honorable Prime Minister is also flagging off Vande Bharat trains from Bikaner to Delhi Cant and Jodhpur to Delhi Cant, along with the Udaipur City Chandigarh Express. With a commitment to sustainable development, these steps taken by this double-engine government will secure India's energy and transportation needs and give new strength to the vision of a self-reliant and developed India.